Finding out what matters to you. That's Paul Rugarber. What is it that matters in your life, and what is it that you think matters because other people have opinions about it? Listen to Gary Vaynerchuk, and he was talking about 99% of the stuff just doesn't matter. It's what we believe inside, what we want to do that matters. And too often we look at other people and we judge our lives by their reactions, when really we should just judge our lives by what we know we're doing and what you want to do. So if you're worried about what other people are doing and what other people drive, what kind of car, what kind of house people have, what kind of clothes they wear, that doesn't matter. What matters is your life and how you think you're being a good person, whether you have good relationships, whether you're achieving what you want to do in business, because those things truly matter to us. That work-life balance. If you want to work more, then work more. If you want to have better relationships, figure out how to work faster and smarter so that you can have more time for those relationships. But you got to do what matters to you, not what matters to other people. Here's an analogy. 3/4 of the fans will boo their team at some point during a game. Doesn't mean the team doesn't win. So don't listen to those people that say you're not on the right path, you're not doing the right thing. Believe in what you want to do. Know that in the end, you're going to win. And you just keep fighting and doing what you think is right and what you think is going to get you to those goals. So do what matters to you today. Have an awesome day today.